it's snowing a little bit. I didn't, what?
Thank you very much for waiting.
Oh yeah, bro. I didn't expect it to be flurrying right now. So I feel like it's like slushy at the bottom, but the top is more normal. Oh, there's Fred too, man.
Time to ride.
Time to rip, baby. Alrighty. What are you guys doing, man? Oh, that was to the freaking bottom, man. Way too big. Woo-hoo! Yeah.
Were you trying a method on the third one?
Yeah, I missed the grab.
You got the grab. You
But like I didn't grab it how I wanted, so I was off axis.
If you come in more on a toe edge and shoulder closed, you can then get the
Shoulder
backside
closed?
shifty. Yeah.
Okay.
Shoulder closed.
Okay. Little knuckle, but yeah. Have you been down this yet? Because the next jump is like, it's as poppy as the last medium down here.
But longer.
But it's longer, like a meter and a half or two.
Ski races, do you see them, bro?
Yeah, it's really annoying. Like it easy. It's a little stream. That was terrifying. Oh my God. Oh my God. My first one felt terrible, I didn't even get it, but the last two felt solid.
Did mine look
But
alright?
yours was fucking gorgeous.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
But like, I'm not getting my front leg retracted. You are.
I used to grab American style, and I started grabbing Euro.
Yeah, I'm grabbing right next to ride, baby.
That's cool. What happened on your method?
Just, I came off like 2 toes.
You want to do one on this jump and I'll have a look at it?
Yes. Kind of. Oh.
Luke, I know what happened in your method. Come in. You came in perfect with the shoulder.
Yeah.
As soon as you popped, you went like that.
I thought you have to go that way.
No. Wait until you shifty before you grab. So you came in, like, you start here, and then you bring the board here, and then you push out with the right leg and you use this one. So instead,
Okay.
you were going like this.
Yeah.
Here, and then you're trying to tweak. Instead, start like you're coming for a back one, and then hit.
Okay, I can try it. Yo, Fred! So clean! His front boards are nasty, man! Oh! Ooh. That almost didn't come around. Yeah, yo, Fred, another side hit. Yo. You can cut across below Alta. Oh. GoPro, stop recording. You are. Close. Backside one, shifty it. That's fucking so scary. Ah, I can't get it, man. Those were hideous. That is so scary, dude. I think that's how you're supposed to method, but ugh. Yo!
Try a big old method on this.
All right, I have to backside 50-50 and backside shifty, because I never backside shifty. Not coming on backside 50-50 to that yet. I gotta get better at it. Backside 50-50. I suck at these, man. Okay, that wasn't bad. I hate these.
For a straight airing.
Get a grab in, baby. Did you see my front one after?
Yeah.
Holy
The hard
fuck!
Oh, did you see how big? Dude,
The second one's huge, man.
I'm not hitting them again, I don't think. I can't really see in the air.
Yeah, I know. I didn't like how blind I was, man.
It was fucking sick, though.
Oh. Raw! You good, Fred? You good?
That's the first time I've fallen in the front board in like...
Did you slip out toes?
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody's regular. You go. Hey, what up, Hudson?
What the fuck happened there?
You broke it, Fred.
Oh, sorry.
Come on, man. You can't break the chair like that, dude. You wanna... Oh,
No.
this guy fell off.
Oh, what?
You good?
Yeah. I didn't fall over.
Oh, the board came off?
Oh, I just slipped off.
Ah,
Should we 1 foot over there? For
No.
Shits and gigs?
I'm not doing that.
Dude,
I'm
come
not
on.
in a one-footed moon,
Switch
Fred.
1 foot.
Nope.
It's the last test of the day.
Sweet. Okay, at the end of the day, maybe.
No, Luke. I'm gonna do it. You gotta do it.
Nope.
I'm doing it. You gotta do it.
I'm not doing a switch 1 foot.
Luke.
Switch 1 foot down that
Do the thing.
No.
You're in trouble with side slip.
I'm gonna destroy my ACL.
Oh, dude, don't give me that shit, dude. It's slushy snow.
That's the worst time.
You
is
sound like one
slushy.
of my first timers going.
Bro, switch 1 foot from top to bottom.
Oh, I regular 1 foot.
I don't get how Fred carves with 1 foot in like that. He literally sets his edge and just like carves the slope, but he's 1-footed. I don't understand it. Like, I can ride slush with 1 foot in, but Fred's ability to carve, when he, look at him, dude. When he only has 1 foot and he's ripping carbs, I don't get it. Oh, Nelly, big chunk, big chunk. Whoop. Woohoo! Woo! Oh. I'm on my heels, bro.